Just back doing another video working on a Mazda Protege. This one's an '01. Came in with a muffler leak. So decided to have a look and found the flange broke. I'll show you in a second here. Right there. If you have the same problem you ran into, that broke off on each side on the flange. They go right here somewhere, hold on, right there somewhere like that, and then being held on with a bolt and a spring like that. Sorry, wait, hold on, I'll show you for a second. Goes on like that, and then bolts in there like that. But the flange piece broke off here because this one's like a built-in flange. So what I decided to do was just get I was thinking of just getting another flange, putting it over, and then bolting it in to the bolt holes here and getting actual bolts for it. But actually instead found a flange repair kit for it. I made a video on the flange repair kit for it, but yeah, I'll pause the video and come back and show you how I did that. I'm going to join these two together. You see that it's loose, the donut is still there. I have enough to work with, so I'm gonna just put the flange repair kit, and then yeah, I'll pause the video and come back. So here we are. I got the flange kit on. I gotta tighten up these bolts, and it works pretty good. It fits pretty good. I had a little trouble getting it in. I had to bend this piece of metal back to get that in. Now another thing is, these are not going to work, these old bolts, because see, it's not going to fit all the way. So what I have to do is get a bolt, or hold on a second, yeah, what I have to do is get a bolt, a 3-inch bolt that will reach there. I believe the measurement's 3 inches from, oh, wait a minute. Yeah, to get the spring on, I need a 3-inch bolt. I'm going to reuse the spring. I'm going to get a 3-inch bolt, and I'm going to put it in there, and it'll work fine. Yeah, that's a simple muffler repair on a broken flange on a '02 Mazda Protege. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.